Hi friends, welcome to Venky's channel. In the previous video, we have learned how to highlight text and how to quote text in HTML. Today we are going to learn about the pre tag, the big tag and the small tag. So let's open Sublime Text and then let's remove what we have done in the previous video. So let's save our changes and then open this file in browser. So let's minimize this and then go back to Sublime Text. First let's learn about the pre tag. You know that we have already learned about and NBSP, which is a character entity, or it is also called as non-breakable space. So if we want to have so many spaces, we have to type and NBSP for so many times. Instead of that, we have an alternative which is called as pre-tag. Whatever is written inside the pre-tag, that text is pre-formatted, which means HTML cannot do anything to it. HTML cannot compress it and HTML cannot convert it into one single space. So let's open the pre-tag and then between the opening pre and the closing pre, let me write Venky's channel with many spaces between them. As you can see, I have written Venky's channel with so many spaces. Now let me take 3 enters and write HTML. Now let me save my changes and then let's refresh the browser. Now you can see Venky's channel and HTML here. Now you can guess why so much of space is left towards the left. That's because this is in pre-tag and we have done indentation. So indentation inside the pre-tag will result like this. So let's remove the indentation for the text inside the pre-tag. Now let's save our changes and then refresh the browser. Now you can see that space is not left towards the left, and then there are so many spaces without including NBSP, and we have got 3 enters without including BR tags. So now let's remove this and then let's learn about the big tag. Big tag is used for making the text font big. So first let me write normal text and then let me keep a hyphen beside it and then let me write a big tag and let me write big text inside the big tag. Now let's save our changes and then refresh the browser. You can clearly see the difference between normal text and the big text. Big text is a little bit bigger than the normal text. And now let's keep another hyphen beside this and then let's write normal text again, and then let's keep another hyphen and then include the small tag, and between the small tag let me write small text. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see the difference between normal text, big text and small text. These tags are used when we want to make the text slightly bigger or slightly smaller. If you want to make it really big, we have to use the heading tags or the font tags, which we have already learned in our previous videos. Friends, hope you have understood clearly about the pre-tag, the big tag and the small tag. In the next video, we will learn about a few more tags. Bye friends!